Hello, my dear students. In our previous class, you have heard the story of Yash and Moti. Okay. Today, in our class, we are going to learn naming words under the topic language study. Okay. Let's see the question. A. Listen carefully and answer the following questions. Listen carefully and answer the following questions. What is your name? What is your name? You have to say your name. I have given two examples. My name is Soham. Or my name is Rashmi. Two names I have written. Okay, you have to write your name. Or you have to say. Are you a boy or a girl? Are you a boy or a girl? Boys have to say, I am a boy. Girls have to say, I am a girl. Who all are there in your family? Who all are there in your family? My parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, and cousins are there in our family. Who all are there in your family? My parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, and cousins are there in a family. Which places do you like to visit? Which places do you like to visit? I like to visit Agra, Kashmir, Jaipur, etc. I like to visit Agra, Kashmir, Jaipur, etc. Students, here you have to write the names of places. Which is your favorite animal? Which is your favorite animal? You have to write or you have to say your favorite animal name, okay? My favorite animal is dog. My favorite animal is tiger. We can see your favorite animal name you have to say. What do you like to eat? What do you like to eat? I like to eat a mango. I like to eat a mango. Or I like to eat grapes. Or I like to eat chocolates. Like this. What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is Barbie doll. Or you can say my favorite toy is toy car. Okay. Do you write with the pen or pencil? Do you write with the pen or pencil? Normally second standard students are writing in pencil. So you can write I write with a pencil. I write with the pencil. You can write like this. All the answers are naming words. All the answers are naming words. Naming words are simply names of anything. Students, you have seen. Here some questions asked. What is your name? Are you a boy or a girl? Who all are there in your family? Which places do you like to visit? Which is your favorite animal? What do you like to eat? What is your favorite toy? Do you write with a pen or a pencil? And we have written answer here. Yes. What is your name? My name is Soham or my name is Rashmi. You have written your name here. Yes. Can you see here? Yes. And are you a boy or a girl? I am a boy. Boys are telling. I am a girl. Girls are telling. Okay. Underline the boy and girl. And who all are there in your family? Parents, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, and cousins are there in our family. Okay. Which places do you like to visit? I like to Agra, Kashmir, or Jaipur. I like to visit. Which is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is dog or my favorite animal is tiger. anyone. Okay. What do you like to eat? I like to eat a mango, or I like to eat grapes. Any answer you can say your wish. What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is Barbie doll. My favorite toy is toy car. Do you write with a pen or a pencil? I write with a pencil. So students, all these answers, all these answers, Soham, Rashmi, boy, girl, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, cousins, Agra, Kashmir, Jaipur, dog, tiger, mango, grapes, Barbie doll, toy car, pencil, here pen. So all these answers are called naming words. Okay. Here we can see names of persons. Soham, Rashmi, boy, girl, parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, brothers, sisters, cousins, you. Okay, these are all names of persons. And these are all the names of places. Agra, Kashmir, Jaipur are the names of places. Dog, tiger, names of animals. Mango, grapes, Barbie doll, toy car, pen, pencil, names of things. Names of persons, names of places, names of animals, and names of things are called naming words or nouns. Naming words or nouns. You can see here. Okay. Naming words are nouns. Naming words are nouns. Persons, name of persons. Sam, he is Sam. She is Brinal, Samai, and Roshni. These are all their names. Okay. Sam is a naming word, or we can say noun. Brinal, Samai, Roshni. Name of persons are called naming words or nouns. Name of places also. Name of places: Kandivali, Mumbai, Delhi, Jaipur, Malad, Borivali. All these name of places are called naming words or nouns. Understand? Names of animals: cow, dog, tiger, and birds also. Parrot. Names of animals and birds all are called naming words or nouns. Names of things also. You can see here: apple, tap, pad, writing pad, jar, cap. All these names of things are also called as naming words or nouns. So students, names of persons, names of places, names of animals, names of things are called what? Naming words or nouns in English. Now let us go to next page. Let's play. Let's play. Let's form 4 groups. Students, you can see teacher is standing and students are sitting here. Okay, they are getting ready to play. They are playing one game. Which game? Bingo. Name, place, animal, thing. Name, place, animal, thing. See, first you have to form groups. Let's see how many children are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students are sitting here. We have to make only 4 groups. So let's see, he is alone playing 1. She is also alone playing 2. And 2 are playing with group. 3, okay, third group, and these 2 are fourth group. Okay, this way they will play. Now we have formed the groups here now. Now pick up any one of the cards, and they are having cards here, so they have to pick up. See, cards are kept here. They have to pick up now. Okay, this boy is, he pick up one card, and she also pick up one card. Let's see, these 2 also pick up one card, and they also pick up this card. Let's see now what is there in his card. Name. Name of persons. You can see here. Name, place, animal, thing. He got name. See. So he has to write name of persons. Name of persons. Now, which card she has taken? Place. Okay. She has to write name of place. Like Pune and all. One example is done for you. Next, let's see this group. Animal. They have to write animal. And this group. Things. They have to write things, names. Okay. This way. Next. Write down as many names as you can related to your card. They have to write as many words they can. Okay. As many names they know. They have to write here. You may discuss with your group members. Okay, here they are playing with group. They can discuss each other. Okay. Next, when you finish, call bingo. When they finish writing, they have to say bingo. The group with maximum number of examples will win. Those are writing more names, they will win in this game. Students, this game you have to play with your friends, but now because of COVID-19, schools closed and even you are not able to meet your friends, you can play this game with your brothers or sisters sitting at home. Okay, students, he has to write the name of persons. Now one example is given, Amit. Okay, let me write Parth and Sonu, Kavita. Okay, place, name of place. Now she has to write. Pune is written. Delhi, Mumbai, Malad. Okay, name of animal. They have to write. Okay, cat is written. Dog, camel, horse. Okay, next. This group, they have to write name of things. Ball is written. Bat, fan, book. This way. But this they have to write together. Okay. All they have to start together. This game. Students, now let us see the page number 11. Read the following passage carefully. Underline the names of people, places, things, fruits, etc. Today is Raju's birthday. He is getting ready for the school. His mother gives him a mango plant in a pot. All his friends wish Raju in the school. They sing a happy birthday with their teacher. Then the teacher takes them to the backyard and plants the mango plant there. Everyone claps for him. Today is Raju's birthday. Today is whose birthday, students? Today is Raju's birthday. He is getting ready for the school. Who is getting ready for the school? Raju. Raju is getting ready for the school. His mother gives him a mango plant. His mother, gives him a mango plant? His mother. Whose mother? Raju's mother. Give him a mango plant in a pot. Okay. All his friends wish Raju in the school. You know, If your friends are celebrating birthday, you are wishing them. Yes, same way. Raju's friends also wished him. They sing happy birthday with their teacher. They sing songs also, happy birthday song. Birthday song they song, sang with their teacher. Then the teacher takes them to the backyard. Then see, teacher takes them to backyard. Backyard means there's a garden behind the school, okay? Yard behind the school. And plants the mango plant there. Mango plant there. See, look at here. Raju is digging the ground and teacher is holding mango plant here. Everyone claps for him. So everyone is clapping. Students, what is the question? Underline the names of people, places, things, fruits, etc. First sentence, today is Raju's birthday. In this, today is Raju's birthday. In this, Raju, underline is given. See here, Raju is the name of a person. Name of a people or a person we can say. So, okay, you have to underline. If the name of the places, people, things, fruits comes, you have to underline, okay? He is getting ready for the school. Okay, school. School is the name of the place where we go to study or learn. So school, underline. His mother gives him a mango plant. His mother, we call him people or a person we call mother, gives him a mango plant. Mango, fruits, plant, thing, mango plant in a pot. Pot is also thing. All his friends, name of the people. Wish Raju, Raju once again underline in the school place. They sing happy birthday with their teacher. Teacher is the name of the people. Then the teacher takes, here also underline, them to a backyard, a place behind the school, backyard. And plants also comes in things. The mango plant, mango is a fruits plant there. Everyone is also, we are telling whom, everyone, people, claps for him. Everyone is this, so it's also naming word, claps for him, okay? Now look and say, today, 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 birthday, 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 school, School, mango, Mango, plant, 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 pot, pot, friends, friends, teacher, teacher, backyard, 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 everyone, everyone. Students, these are all the dictation words. You have to learn these spellings, okay?